Is the metaverse a conceptual hype or the next technological outlet? The world is evolving, and so is technology. In the meanwhile, the metaverse was introduced and people wanted to know more about it. So, what is metaverse? Well, the metaverse is said to be a virtual world that uses technology to link and create. Besides, it maps and interacts with the real world. Metaverse is a digital living space that has a new social system. It is pertinent to mention that the term metaverse was introduced in the science fiction Avalanche in 1992. The fictional novel shows a huge virtual reality world. In this virtual world, people use digital avatars to compete with each other in order to improve their status. Experts believe that the meta-universe is not a technology, but an idea and a concept. It requires the integration of various new technologies, including 5G, 6G, artificial intelligence, and big data, among others. Besides, it emphasizes the integration of the virtual world and reality. The metaverse has several technologies. One of them is to expand the reality technology that includes VR and AR. Extended reality technology has the potential to provide an immersive experience and solve issues that may not be solved by mobile phones. The other metaverse technology is the digital twin that can represent the real world in the virtual world. In other words, metaverse can see several virtual clones of an individual. The third technology of the metaverse is the use of blockchain technology to establish an economic system. With the further enhancement of the metaverse, the degree of simulation of real society can be made strong. Experts believe that one can not only spend money but may also make money in the metaverse. With this, an economic system has also been established in the virtual world. Being a comprehensive integrated application of several digital technologies, the metaverse needs to have two technological breakthroughs. One of these includes a breakthrough in single technologies like XR, digital twins, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. The basic functions of metaverse applications include stereo vision, deep immersion, and virtual clones, among others. Another one is a breakthrough in the comprehensive application of several digital technologies, using the superposition and compatibility of several technologies, interactive integration, and forming a technological synergy to boost the stability of metaverse orderly development. Experts also believe that the metaverse does not represent the future of mankind. If an individual is addicted to the virtual world, then the future of mankind would be truly in decline. Although thoughts are said to be infinitely magnified, they cannot be restricted. While the road to human development is still very long, the journey of humanity needs to be explored, and so must the interstellar journey. The metaverse is said to be one of the most hyped concepts in technology, and that too for good reason. If you are sure that your business would make sure that it serves its customers and consumers and connects to its employees in the future, then it must start exploring the metaverse. Notably, the metaverse represents the future of the internet that will enable billions of people to connect to the virtual world. It will provide businesses the opportunity to establish a personalized and sustained relationship with their customers. Besides, it will assist in developing great experiences for employees and help them to attract scarcely. Metaverse in business fascinates you, right? So, what does metaverse mean for businesses? What are the opportunities in it? What should an individual be doing in order to understand the same? Hold on. Indeed, there are numerous questions related to the fascinating metaverse. Let's take it slowly and understand it in a better way. Customer experience. In the context of customers' experience, companies need to think carefully and be decisive about their marketing and advertising strategies. It needs to be fitted with a shift to the metaverse. Meanwhile, the companies that get it right get to increase their bounty. Companies that excel increase sales and enhance loyalty. Metaverse is not only for consumerism, but it also provides new opportunities for learning and development. Since technology is evolving and the world is witnessing the digital revolution, you will see youngsters, from schools to universities, using VR and other technologies in their daily life. Employee experience. In the context of employee experiences, there are several existing foundations for the metaverse, and these include cloud, remote collaboration, and connectivity. The main transition is the creation of a single container that provides people access to immersive experiences online that can be accessed at any time on any device. Heavy industries like manufacturing and engineering are expected to use the metaverse to enhance virtual training, learning, and onboarding. In the healthcare sector, the virtual experiences of the metaverse may provide several opportunities for lifelike training, including assessing a patient's report. With this, remote operations might be possible in allowing highly skilled surgeons to perform the procedures on patients from any part of the world. How will the metaverse be delivered? The visible layer. The developments will begin to emerge in the future through a visible layer of software and hardware that provides great experiences. Some explain the metaverse as people wearing VR headsets and collaborating with a virtual world. However, most virtual experiences may be delivered using a dedicated device in the future. The invisible layer. The shift from 2 to 3 dimensions in the metaverse includes emotion-driven interfaces that will help create a rise in the data. For individual participants, the volume of data consumed on their devices will be increased. For businesses, the hike will influence the data gathering and analytics requirements. Major challenges. It is pertinent to mention that the metaverse is not a greenfield site. Several elements of the metaverse, including 3D worlds, MMOG, MILE, XR, DLT, AI, cloud, and edge computing, are already there and used potentially. However, there are several key challenges that need to be overcome in the coming future. Since the tech giants are getting involved in the metaverse, their research, development, and innovation will help in bringing great experiences mimicking real life. Some experts believe an open-source mindset will be important in helping to address the challenges related to standardization. Each company and individual should be allowed to use their own content. Although there are no answers about the future of the metaverse, it will definitively impact the business model. It changes how a company interacts with its customers and how an employee works and collaborates. Well, the business world is fond of the metaverse, which is a concept of shared worlds that are driven by virtual products and highly immersive and interactive digital experiences. Metaverse and technology come hand in hand, and that's why it is said to be the next technological outlet. Chips and processors. As per the report, the enhancement in the space will be able to support in processing requirements of the metaverse applications. New metaverse-focused hardware. The new metaverse-focused hardware, like virtual reality, VR, headsets, and augmented reality, AR, glasses are being designed to support the workloads that are related to high-resolution graphics and artificial intelligence, AI. 5G and low-latency networks. 5G wireless technologies will be able to boost high-resolution metaverse applications, including immersive worlds or gaming, as they support reliable and flexible networks for connected devices. Cloud infrastructure. This will allow the metaverse companies to store and go through huge amounts of generated data. So, even though the metaverse is a conceptual hype, it is the next technological outlet. Besides, it is a conceptual hype because it is the next big thing.